Hi friends, Cargo and Canvas. That is the name of my channel. The main purpose of this channel is to impart training and coaching on freight forwarding and logistics to the youngsters. The coaching and training which I give to the future generation is free of cost. This is based on my 50 years of experience in this field, and I'm sure the information and the details I give you will be of importance and useful to all the listeners, to all the viewers. In addition to that, I will give you details of job opportunities that are available in Dubai or in other Gulf countries. Mine is not a recruitment channel. The details I give you is entirely free of cost. I do not charge anything for the services I give. Like the coaching classes, I don't charge. Everything is free of charge. So periodically, as and when I get information from my friends or contacts in UAE about the vacancies available in their logistics or shipping or freight forwarding companies, I will publish it here through my channel, and you can directly get in touch with those people and see whether you can get an opening there. So based on that, whenever I get an information from my friends about the vacancies available there, any vacancies in logistics, whether it is documentation clerk, whether it is salespersons, whether it is operation staff, drivers, messengers, office assistants, documentation people, I will certainly give it through my channel and you can directly contact them. Now, at the moment, there are vacancies for around 10 to 15 truck drivers in UAE. The salary, what they can expect, is around 4,000 to 5,500 dirhams, which is equivalent to around 85,000 rupees to 125,000 rupees. 1,25,000 rupees plus other benefits whatever a company gives. Preference will be given to those who have Gulf license or Dubai license or UAE license. They will be given preference. If they have experience in Gulf, that's well and good. So those candidates will have preference. Even those who have experience in India and those who have been driving in India for quite a long time, they can also apply for it. They might also get an opportunity to work there. These are heavy duty drivers, truck drivers for container transportation, and those who are interested, they may directly apply to the email ID I will be giving to you. In case any one of you have experience or Gulf license, they may please comment on my comment box. I will give you all the details. They may also give me their contact numbers, so I will contact them, or I will post it on my channel so they can contact the future prospective employees and finalize everything with them. I'm in no way in between. I'm not a middleman for that, but you can contact them directly and get your things sorted out there. So it can be very helpful to those who are looking for a job. And similarly, if there are any other vacancies, as I indicated before, I will inform you from time to time, and you can be in direct touch with the employees. The information I get is through my friends and my contacts in UAE, and you can definitely contact them and they will help you find an employment in their companies or in other companies. Okay, now the vacancies are there for heavy duty truck drivers, and tomorrow there will be other vacancies that also will be intimated through this channel. So we'll see you in the next episode. Please put it in the comment box if you need such services, such help from me. Please do contact me by mail or just put a note on my comment box. Okay, see you. Bye bye.